In this video, we shall discuss that how to install MongoDB on our Windows system. We shall discuss step by step. So to install MongoDB, at first we have to check the system architecture. That means we are supposed to check whether our system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Open the command prompt in the administration mode and then use that command, that is the wmic os get OS architecture. So if you issue such command here, in my system it was depicted that my system is of 64-bit. So it will come like this. Next step. In the next step, go to this link and select the community edition, that is the free edition. So this is the link URL I have given here. So from here you are supposed to download the community edition and select the Windows version and download MSI. So here you are supposed to select the Windows version and here you are supposed to download the MSI file, and here we are having this community server. So this is the URL and this particular window will come up, this particular screen will come up, and then you are selecting the respective version, downloading the MSI, and after going to this community server option. Now, how to install MongoDB on Windows? Open the downloaded MSI file and install it to the specified directory. So just go on double clicking on that MSI file and this window will pop up, and here you can provide the respective directories and path, and now we shall go for this installation. So now I shall go for this next. In the next step, we can install MongoDB Compass, or we can simply ignore it and later we can install it. Now I will be ignoring this one, then I shall continue with my installation. So now this progress bar will be going up to the 100%. Now we are supposed to put the path there. So place the MongoDB installation directory on to the path variable, and in our case the location is this one. In my system the location was this one. So I should put this path in this respective path here. So putting the semicolon and then doing the pasting of this path here. So this a path will be there, so that my path variable in the system will get set accordingly. And now open the command prompt in the administrator mode and then type Mongo to open the Mongo shell. So you see, as we have set the path in the previous slide, we have shown you that we have set the path here. So this is a path, so that's why we can easily issue the respective command, that is a Mongo, to open the Mongo shell. So this is a Mongo we have typed, and now some messages are there, and then Mongo shell has got initiated. So now let me show you in the practical demonstration that how this installation can be done. So please watch the demonstration now. So in this demonstration we shall show you that how to install MongoDB on the Windows system. So at first we are opening our command prompt in the administrator mode, and this window has come. Now here we will be issuing a command, that is wmic os get OS architecture, to check the configuration of the system. Here we are finding that we are having 64-bit machine here. So that's why we shall have to download the respective 64-bit version of MongoDB. Now we shall open our browser, and here we'll be going for the link, that is http://www.mongodb.org/downloads. So this is the respective URL from where we'll be downloading our MongoDB. Here we will be going for the community server option, and then we shall select our Windows 64-bit. As we are having the Windows 64-bit, so MongoDB 64-bit we shall be downloading for Windows, and this download MSI will be initiated. So now we are selecting our download folder, and here the file will get downloaded. So it is taking some time. So MongoDB -Windows 33-X, and then we are having .msi file, and now after completion of the download we shall open the file, we shall execute the file here. So we have got the file, So we shall go for the double click, and this window will be coming. So we are going for the run option. So accept the license agreement, going for the next, complete installation. So here is the default path we are having for data directory and log directory. So we're not going to change the file path. So we're going for the next. Install MongoDB Compass. Right now we are not requiring this one, so we can go for the uncheck. Later also we can install it, and we shall go for the next. Then install. Now installation has got completed, so we shall be clicking on finish. Now we shall have to check the path of the bin folder of MongoDB. So we'll be going for C colon. Under C colon, we are supposed to go to program files. I think within the program files, the MongoDB folder will be found. So we shall be going for the program files folder now. And then we'll be searching for MongoDB folder. And then we'll be searching for the folder under this server. And that is 4.0 version. Then we shall go for the bin. So this path is required actually. So we are going for the copy of this path. And we are going to put this one in our path variable, has to be initialized with it. So we're going for this PC and then properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. We're going for the path, edit. At the end we shall put one semicolon, and then we shall do the paste of the path. Now we shall go for OK. Now we shall go for OK. We shall go for OK. Now again we shall open that command prompt in the administrator mode. So we are writing this one as command prompt. So now we shall go for the administrator mode, run as administrator. So it has got opened. Now we shall go for the command, that is Mongo, to get the Mongo shell. So Mongo shell has been obtained. You can find that we are having the prompt, that is a greater than symbol there. And now to check what are the databases are existing prior to that. So we are having this admin, config and local. So admin, config and local. So these three other databases are pre-existing here. Thanks for watching this video.